So I've been working on the Porsche headlights on 987.1 Mark 1, and this is what we had before. I've not done this one as yet, and this is what I've gone to now. You can see it's a lot clearer on the glass, and also on this one I've upgraded the light bulb to an Osram's night breakers lasers, also known as the next generation. So I'm going to switch off the headlights so you can get a better view. So that's the headlights off, and you can see it's really clear there, and that's the one trying to get the same angle, so that's the one which still has to get done. So it's fairly simple to actually do this. All you need to do is remove the headlight unit, and for that you have a tool which I'm just going to hopefully show you how to do that. So again, just bear with me while I open up this unit. So again, one last time, there's your difference, there's your difference. I'm going to remove the headlight. First thing to do is to access the trim by unscrewing this section here. So we're just going to unscrew that. I'm going to put this down while I do that. And then what you do is you've unscrewed this section. I'm going to pop the grommet out there. So this literally just pulls out again. Okay, and there we go. Off goes grommet. Okay, that will expose a little hole there, right in the center, and that's where your head unit retraction tool goes. Okay, let me just see if I can get this. There we go, and that's found in your toolkit, which comes out of the front there. Okay, it's in this. So I'm going to insert this into here. So again, just bear with me while I position it. So I've located the tool in like that. This bar pointing backwards to the car, we're going to rotate it all the way to the front and then point it back, rotate it back a little bit so it drops, so that bar is in the middle. So here I go, and turn it, and it is quite a turn, and as you turn you'll hear this clicking noise. Okay, and that's the light unit coming through. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to do this myself. Okay, so and it goes, turn. That's the light out. Point it out to the bottom now. You'll see that the head unit is now popped out. Okay, and I'm just going to grab hold of that and slide it out. Okay, and that's the head unit slid out. You just grab it by the bottom and the top and slide it out, and it comes out.